Imagine this. Every black hole in the universe might not be an ending, but a doorway, a tunnel to another reality, a passage where space and time collapse, only to re-emerge somewhere else. It sounds like science fiction, but the deeper we study black holes, the more we realize perhaps they are not just destroyers of stars. As a space explorer, I've spent decades watching stars live and die. Most stars end quietly, fading into white dwarfs or neutron stars. But the titans, the ones many times the mass of our sun, die violently when their fuel runs out. Gravity wins. The star collapses, detonating as a supernova, leaving behind a core so dense even light cannot escape. That's the birth of a black hole. And for most of history, we thought that was the end, the final chapter of matter. But then came a strange idea. What if a black hole is not just an ending, but a beginning? Every black hole has a boundary, the event horizon. Cross this invisible threshold, and nothing returns. Not a planet, not a photon, not even time itself. From the outside, it seems like a cosmic trap. But some physicists propose another possibility. What if the event horizon is not a wall, but a gateway? A tunnel that bends space-time into something new. If so, black holes might not kill information, but transport it to where? That's the mystery. Here enters one of the most daring ideas in physics: wormholes. Mathematically, Einstein's equations don't forbid shortcuts in space-time. A black hole could, in theory, connect to a white-hole object that expels matter instead of swallowing it. Imagine this. Everything a black hole consumes in one universe is ejected as creation in another. Stars, planets, perhaps even life itself reborn beyond the horizon. Some scientists even suggest our own universe might have been born this way. The Big Bang itself could have been the white hole of another universe's collapse. But there are puzzles deep, haunting mysteries. The information paradox. Stephen Hawking once argued that information is lost forever in black holes, violating the laws of quantum mechanics. Later, he changed his mind, suggesting that information might leak out, encoded in faint radiation. If information isn't lost, then, perhaps, it goes somewhere else. Cosmic censorship hypothesis. Some theories say singularities must remain hidden by horizons. But what if they don't? What if exposed singularities, so-called naked singularities, exist? These could be natural wormholes, raw openings in space-time. Baby universes. Quantum cosmology suggests that inside a black hole, the crushing singularity may bounce, creating a new, expanding region of space-time, a baby universe sealed off from ours. To us, it's the end. To someone else, it's the beginning of everything. I've looked into the abyss with telescopes and with imagination. If I were to cross the event horizon, what would I see? At first, nothing unusual. No wall, no flash, just silence. But as I drift inward, time outside races forward. The universe beyond me would speed up, stars aging billions of years in moments. And then, the singularity, the point where our equations collapse. Here, one of two things must happen. Either my journey ends stretched into a string of atoms devoured by infinity, or my atoms ignite a new reality, a universe where I am scattered as starlight. Could I, in some other cosmos, become the dust that seeds another planet? Could life rise again from the ashes of my fall? Think about it. Every black hole may be a womb disguised as a tomb. The universe, recycling itself endlessly, birthing new realities in the collapse of old ones. And if that's true, then death itself is not final. Every ending we fear may simply be the start of something new. Every collapse, a creation. Of course, these ideas remain unproven. We have no probe that has survived the journey, no instrument that can send back data from beyond the horizon. Our equations clash general relativity against quantum mechanics, and yet, in that clash lies the key. Because the black hole is the one place where we must reconcile the very large with the very small. The day we solve the mystery of black holes may be the day we finally unlock the theory of everything. So, do black holes lead to other universes? We don't know, not yet. But the possibility is staggering that every black hole is a seed of creation, every collapse a birth. The abyss we fear might just be the womb of infinity. And if you, like me, believe the greatest mysteries are yet to be discovered, then join me. Subscribe to Black Hole Secrets, and together, let's journey beyond the horizon into the unknown, where endings become beginnings.